with God. So first off, did you guys at least get the
He's a God of order, right? So when things in life are chaotic, there is order. We look for patterns in the world. Why we come up with formulas in math class is because we literally look for things in life and we see that things consistently show up. And I think that in math, we are literally seeking truth and answers. And I think truth is so important because, Jesus says, I am the way, the truth, and the life. And if you can seek and be objective and say, like, there is actual objective truth, there is right, there is wrong, there is true and false, it allows us to see, like, there's a creator of the universe. If you are to love truth, you have to know truth. And our process of teaching math is for kids to understand objective truth, that there is objective truth. It's great to have discussions, it's great to debate, it's great to read, it's great to try to formulate our own relative thinking, but there is a place for actually saying this is objectively right, this is objectively true. And I think that when you start to realize that there is objective truth, you start to look at God and say, I don't know, there's something so beautiful about knowing that God is never changing. Like, he is the same yesterday as he is today, as he is tomorrow. In math, when I walk into a classroom, those axioms that we use for proofs, they don't change. There's such a beautiful thing about knowing that when I solve this problem, it's not gonna change. I'm gonna get the right answer and it's gonna be right. Math is the process of seeking that kind of stability and consistency, and seeing God's faithfulness throughout generations is kind of like, math is really, doesn't change very much, and I love that. They're not gonna remember in 20 years what that theorem was. They're gonna forget, but they are gonna remember the way they felt in class. They are gonna remember the teachers that really took time to get to know them. Because a lot of math can be formulaic, but instead of teaching that way, I thought, let's just do some fun things. And so to build some rapport in class, we do these like team challenges that are really goofy. Sometimes they have math involved, sometimes they don't, but it's just a way to build rapport and classroom fun. And I think that when you're enjoying something, even if it's hard, even if it's not something that's like your natural bend is to like love this, if you're enjoying the classroom environment, I think you're more willing to say like, yeah, I'll give this a chance. At the end of the day, it's when I walk into class, they're actual people in front of me, like that's more important, to like steward and love the people in front of me. So I want kids to leave my classroom thinking like geometry, it might be tough, but it's fun.